In today's class, we will learn what is assertion. In this explanation, I am going to make you learn what is assertion in software testing. There is a guy who doesn't know what is assertion is. So at this point of time, you also don't know what is assertion is. So let's say that we will take a test case in which we have to verify two of the images, and we will do it in an automated way. So in automation, there is no manual intervention. So I am expecting a YouTube image, but actually a love sign is there. So the expected image mismatches with the actual one, and here comes the assertion. Assertion will make the test case false, and let the tester know that there is a bug is found in the system. The expected and the actual result doesn't match. The bug that has been found has been assigned to the developer team, and developer team fixes the code so that the actual and the expected images matches. Now once the code is again fixed, the expected images matches with the actual image. So we have the YouTube sign as expected as well as in actual. Now the assertion role is that it will make the test case pass. So the test case is now passed, and here is the assertion. Assertion is a method useful in determining the pass or fail status of a test case. This is the importance of assertion in automation. This is how we can describe assertion in a very simple way. So practically, what is assertion? An assertion is nothing but it is a Boolean expression which determines whether the test case is a true test case or a test case is a false test case. If there is a false test case, that means there is a bug in the system is not behaving as expected, and if there is a true, that means the expected and the actual result matches, and hence the test case can be passed. So it is a quantifying factor which tells whether the test case is going to pass or the test case is going to fail. It is a very important in automation testing. Without assertion, automation testing will not be ever possible.